Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I cooked the most famous breakfast from Singapore and Malaysia, which is the kaya toast, and this is Malaysia Ipoh white coffee. I have the hot version and iced version as well. Also, we recently went to New York. There's a restaurant called Kopitiam, so it reminded me I wanted to create this for Vinny. Vinny will be the judge. He's the Malaysian boy. No, ajashi. And let me know if you have any feedback for my recipe. I kind of messed up the egg. I tried my best, but we'll see what Vinny thinks. First, we have fluffy milk bread. I got mine from Korean bakery Paris Baguette. They make fantastic bread. Next, you need a kaya spread. I am personally a big fan of Pandan kaya spread. It adds a wonderful, fragrant twist to the toast. If you only have regular kaya, totally fine, but I'll highly suggest you to get the Pandan one. For our classic soft boiled eggs, you will need room temperature eggs. I got 4 here just in case I mess it up, and good thing I actually got 4. But you typically only need 2 to 3 eggs if you're serving for 2. And finally, for the rich finish butter. Use good quality butter. It makes a difference when it melts onto the warm toast. In addition, you need some white pepper and soy sauce. For the Malaysian white coffee, we got the Old Town White Coffee brand, which is product of Malaysia. Vinny told me this is very famous franchise coffee. We got the extra cow, which means extra rich. We will make a hot and iced coffee using this product. The first thing we need is hot water. I've already prepared hot water to pour over our room temperature eggs so that we can make perfect soft boiled eggs. I let them sit for 6 minutes. Quick heads up though, this method didn't quite work perfectly for my eggs, even leaving them overnight. But don't worry, I will show you how I fix it later. Meanwhile, egg is getting soft boiled. Now let's prepare for our bread. I'm gonna toast 4 pieces of bread since this is gonna be for 2 serving size. Now the bread is nice and toasty, it's time to spread your pandan kaya spread. It smells so good. Now it's time to place your butter. There are generally 2 ways people like to add their butter. Some prefer placing thin slice directly onto the warm toast, letting it melt into creamy pools. The other way is to actually spread the butter. Vinny actually prefers this method. Just a note, make sure your butter is not too thick like mine because I froze my butter like this thickness, so I had no choice. But make sure you make it slightly thinner than mine. Now your butter is ready, you can combine 2 pieces of bread. Since you're going to dip this toast into an egg, make sure to cut it in half. Now let's prepare your egg. I thought my egg is perfectly cooked, but I was very surprised. So I think even I left my egg overnight outside of the fridge, it was not a room temperature. So I decided to put in the hot water again for 6 minutes. So after 6 minutes, I tried it again, and this is what it looks like. It is slightly a soft-boiled egg, but still runny. So I decided to put it in the microwave for less than 1 minute. this is what it looks like, and I was a little bit worried it's overcooked, but once you stir it, it's not too bad. It could have been worse. And I added a half tablespoon of soy sauce. Lastly, I put 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Make sure to put this white pepper later after taking photo because it doesn't look nice. Now it's time to make a Malaysian coffee. For a single serving, I put 1 pouch and 180 milliliter water. For iced coffee, there's no instruction, but I kind of agak the hot water, which means whatever I feel like, I just put it in. After I melt all the powder, I just put the ice to let it melt. And then pour some water. Don't pour too much. Put little by little until you like the flavor. Now your kaya toast breakfast is ready to serve. Hello.
Wow.
It's Malaysian breakfast.
Come. Kaya toast and egg and coffee.
Does it remind you of Kuching, Malaysia?
The only thing missing is the street noise, the dog moving around, the humid hot weather. That looks good. So what am I trying first?
I don't know. You want to try the Ipoh coffee? Ipoh white coffee?
This one is they put ice, I think.
Oh, really? The instructor did not have an iced coffee instruction.
They usually, when you want to put ice or you want an ice version, you say kopi peng. Peng is ice. This coffee is strong.
Is it? It says extra, what is it? Kue.
Extra cow.
Oh, extra cow.
Means extra thick.
Thick. Ayo, I know it's good lah.
You didn't make this coffee. You only put hot water.
I popped it lah.
But it's pretty good. I like this coffee. It's actually pretty good. Have you tried it?
No.
Oh, try it.
Mm.
It's good. I like it more because compared to the Korean ones, the Korean one is very light. This one's very rich.
Extra cow.
Extra cow.
Cow.
Okay, let's eat. What's the difference?
So the difference I made is one is spread and one is just
The butter stick?
stick.
Oh.
You say you usually like spread.
I like the spread, so I'll switch with you. Sorry.
And I got the spread from Paris Baguette from H Mart.
You gotta say it in a Korean accent.
Paris Baguette too. Paris Baguette too.
Oh, I thought it was Paris Baguette.
Oh yeah, Paris Baguette. I forgot.
I'm more Korean than her.
Oh, it smells so good. Kaya smells so good. Look.
Cheers. Ooh.
Bruh, I did good.
Not bad.
The butter saltiness. With the kaya sweetness.
It goes well. Very good.
So good. Why am I speaking in Malaysian accent? You're not speaking in Malaysian accent.
It's so damn good.
Now we're gonna dip it in the egg.
Extra flavor.
Bro, I did good lah.
Okay, you can stop the Malaysian accent lah.
Shut lah.
No, it's pretty good. I like it. Good job.
Mine had too much butter though.
Yeah, a bit too much butter, but it's fine. As a Malaysian from Sarawak, Kuching, I give it a. Her stomach just growled. Her stomach was growling. I give it a thumbs up. Very, very good. Like, not bad.
Not bad.
It's not restaurant level. I'm just kidding. It's pretty good.
It's good lah.
It's good.
Yeah. Say shock lah.
It's good lah.
So if you're looking for some kind of new breakfast idea, I would highly recommend the kaya toast with pandan. I forgot. When you buy a spread, make sure you get the pandan kaya spread.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Come back soon for another amazing food. By choetina. I like this coffee.
Only downside is it's a high calorie.
It's gonna go work out.